Hello all, hope everyone are doing safe and good. So this is Vijay, welcome to our channel PrayanaPaithyam. So today in this video log, we are going to see one special video, and this video is dedicated to all the female motorcyclists out there. So whoever is going to learn to ride a motorcycle or whoever is already on the road, they're on their journey or travel, this video is going to be very special for you. And I personally felt like rather than me doing this video, I just want my wife to do this video. She's going to take over. Let's see.
Hi, hello. Already Vijay told you that this video is gonna be a very special video for all the women's motorcyclists, women biker, the bike riders, right? We all have one thing common in riding scenarios. The most common thing that we come across, or the problem I would say rather than this. The problem is the riding gears. As a women rider, most of the time we will be wearing a men riding gears. Let it come to the riding pant or riding jackets or even the gloves sometimes, even the helmet sometimes, most of the times. We won't get our sizes, we won't get our exclusively made for women, something like that. Because of that reason, most of the times we have to sacrifice most of the things, especially when it comes to safety. We won't compromise on safety whenever we are on the road. So, but these kind of situations will make us to compromise on these riding gears. And this video is one such video exclusively for women. So no more compromises, no more sacrifices. We have our own riding gears right now. The most important one that we have opted today is the riding jackets and the riding pants. And if you are a women biker and rider, you know how difficult is that to choose a riding jacket out of the men, something best you need to select, which is not at all of your size, but still you will go to that side, even the gears will be little unfit for you, but still you will prefer that because we don't have option in the market. But right now, the waiting is over, I can say. My favorite, one of the favorite brand has come up with the exclusive women riding jackets, and also believe me, it's the riding gears are stunning. It's wonderful. It's perfectly fit for you. So we'll see which is the riding apparel and which is the brand that has come. Yes, you're right. The brand is Royal Enfield. Right. And from Royal Enfield, this jacket, this is exclusively for women riders. And recently they have launched this. I got to know very recently, like maybe 3 months before. Maybe which month is this, Vijay?
This is
October.
November, September, October.
Yeah, August probably. Yes.
August.
I got to know in August 2021. Maybe they have come before like 2 to 3 months or 6 months before. The problem is there was no marketing about this jacket where I couldn't get information at all. Somehow it catched my eye and I got this product, I can say. So this is one of the there are few products, riding jackets for women, riding gears for women, very few. It's like countable. So I didn't get a chance to check all those things because I couldn't find anything near my place in the market. So I went to the Royal Enfield showroom. As soon as I got to know about this jacket, then believe me, I wore this and I'll show you the picture of it, how it looks. And earlier to this, I used to wear other jackets, the other riding jacket, which I used for our Ladakh trip, LADAKH bike ride. That was good. I don't say that is not good, but it was for a men size, the smallest size in the men version jacket, I can say. So that was I was using in my LADAKH bike ride. For the first time, I got riding jacket for myself. There will be one exclusive video why you need to choose riding gears, especially the riding jacket and the riding pant. Why the knee guards? Why not the knee guards? Why riding pant? We will be doing another exclusive video on that. You will get the complete information how it is going to be. It is expensive, I know, but still it's a safety. Safety matters first out of everything. So let us come to the jacket features, what is there, what is not there, how it is going to help you, everything I'll just tell you. And also before that, I also want to show you the riding pant. Again, it's from Ari. Yes, it is of the same color. It's like a, what do you say, matching. The riding jacket and the riding pant is of a matching. So I'll give you much more information about these two products. Come, let's look over our jacket and the riding pant. So here is the Royal Enfield jacket. The wonderful color. I really love this color. You have a good logo of Royal Enfield here. Then you have a mini vent. Before going to all those things, you have a magnets here. You can see, and a wonderful zip. Then you have a lock here, neck lock. And it comes with the armor. This is you need to purchase separately. I have purchased this separately. D30 level 2 protection, and you have the zip lock for your to attach your riding pant. Then you have a pockets here. The one pocket I can find it here, including under this. I mean inside this we have two more layers. I'll explain to you what is that. Then you have two pockets outside. Then you have adjusting straps here to your waist. And this gives a good amount of width and comfortable for you when you are riding. Then you have adjustable, you can adjust here. Then you have a elbow guard, then you have a elbow guard and the shoulder guard here. Then what else? Did I miss some? Yes, the major thing is a vent. So you have a good vents here. And also here, you have a good vent here. As you can see itself, here itself, it is being very well structured, tailored fit for women. So this is what we need when you wear a jacket, riding jacket especially. This is very important. And this material is Cordura material, Cordura fabric, which is very important when you are riding. So when you are riding, you will understand why do we need the Cordura fabric, because it helps you when you have a collapse during your ride or something. And if you can see D30 armor, this is how good protection it can give. It is so flexible. Inside this we have two more layers. The one layer is a winter layer, which you can also use as a normal jacket. It will fit inside this, and this is how it looks. You can wear it separately. And one more is a rain jacket, which doesn't come outside. It will be inside this one. I think this is rain jacket. This is a winter one, and this is a rain jacket, right? I confused it. Sorry, sorry for that. This is a rain jacket one, and this is the winter one. So I have removed all these things because we can't wear every time wearing all these internal, the inner apparels, inner liners especially. So this is all about the jacket. I hope this basic information will help you a lot to choosing the jacket. This jacket is the high-end jacket in the Royal Enfield. They have one more version of the jacket. This costed around some 14,950 I guess. Sorry if I'm not giving the right numbers. I'll leave the description in the link in the description. You can have a check. And there is a one jacket, the other model, the Brezza I guess. It is of a black color. It comes in a very budgeted amount, around some 6,000 to 7,000. You can even choose that. Please visit nearest Royal Enfield showroom and you can have a look. And this is not a sponsored video. This is completely a self-experience video. This is not a promotion video from a Royal Enfield. So this is all about the jacket. Now let's have a look on the riding pant. So this is my RE riding pant, Nubra riding pant. The earlier one was Nubra riding jacket. So this is my Nubra riding pant. So what it comes with? It is a 2-layer apparel where you have one thermal. You don't have a rain layer here. You have a thermal which goes inside. I have removed it. You can't wear every time when you are riding this. And you have again this material is a Cordura material. You have a good vent. You have one vent here. You have one more vent here. Then you have a knee guard. You don't have a thigh guard here. thigh support, hip support, I can say. You don't have a hip support. You have a good pockets, 2 pockets. I have my hanky. Then you have adjustable straps. You can adjust accordingly, and always go for one size bigger one. We also tell you at the end of the video how do you select the size of your riding apparel, which is very important. We'll discuss about it later. Now let us look into this riding pant. And you have a magnet. So once you don't have magnets here, sorry, you have a buttons. You have to just press it, clip it here, so you have a good vent. Simple. And I told you about the knee cord. Then you have a adjustable straps here when you wear the boots. Then you have a zip also. You can just zip it open. It is not open completely. It will be closed. Okay. You can. I don't have a riding boots, so I didn't check with the riding boots. I have a normal boots. I use a normal boots for riding. So this is all about the riding pant. This is exclusively for women riding pant. This is not the men riding pant. This is the women riding pant. For the first time I wore the women riding pant, especially the riding pant, to be frank. It gives you a completely different feeling. I can run, I can sit, I can juggle, I can roll, I can do anything with this riding gears, riding pant and riding jacket. This is super comfortable apparel, riding jacket and a riding pant. So this is all about today's riding gears, especially the riding jacket and the riding pant, which is named as a Nubra from Royal Enfield. Again, I'm saying you, this is not a sponsored video, this is not a promotion video, this is a video from our experience. Fine. So I hope this gave you a little more information, and this will really help you out. I know you can hop into the Royal Enfield showroom, check out the 2 models. Right now they have only 2 models of riding jackets for women, and also I have heard that recently they have launched the women riding boots. So if you are going to the Royal Enfield showroom, please do ask them for the riding boots for women. When you can check for that too.
Now we speak.
See, I would really like to thank Royal Enfield for coming up with this kind of a revolution, amazing jacket for women bike riders, women motorcyclists. You don't know how big this feels, and what kind of a differences it is going to make by wearing our own fit and personally tailored fit, especially for women. This is completely stunning and surprising and wonderful. This is just wonderful, and Royal Enfield, thank you so much for this. I owe to you, thank you so much. And viewers, so this is how it looks. See how amazing it is. You also have my one of the photo. I don't have that video. I hopefully, if Vijay, if you have any video, please do put it in this itself. So you can just have a look how it is going to look, how it's going to make a difference. You can just make out a difference with this jacket and the jacket which I wore to my LADAKH riding, LADAKH bike ride. Back before 3 years back, Vijay.
2017.
Yeah, 2017 we went to our LADAKH ride. We'll talk about that later. How was it on all those experiences? We'll share it with you. And this is how. Perfect. I can say it's a perfect. You want to see how I can sit? It's so simple. It's so wonderful. You know, you can aram lay down. You can sleep. You can do yoga. You can do gym. No, gym and all. But I meant it means that it's so comfortable. It's so wonderful. And always know the sizes what you are going to wear. We'll make one special video on especially on the sizes and all. And if you can see, my physique is very small. I'm like a very tiny. My height is like of 5.1 feet, and I weigh around some 47 kilo. That's it. not much. So if Royal Enfield can give this kind of a beautiful fit riding jacket and the riding pants, if you are of my physique, then it is the right thing that you have to choose right now. Immediately invest in your riding gears. Invest in your riding gears. Safety first. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share this, please support this. Maybe way out there many women riders, they are waiting for the riding jackets and riding pant information. Please do share. This matters a lot. It's a life-saving video, to be frank. Yes, this is life-saving video. So that's it from our end. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel PrayanaPaithyam. We have many more things to share with you. Like this video, share this video. That's it from us. Vijay, you have anything to say? He doesn't have anything, it seems. So please watch the description box. We will leave some link there which will be useful to you. You can make use of those links. Thank you. And again, last time, this is not the promotion. This is not the sponsored video. That's it. Bye bye.